talking about migrating from C# to Elixir. Focus on performance, scalability, and the resilience. So, about me, I am software engineer at Ultrais. My background is C#, 4 years experience in Elixir. I like sorting out issues. I don't have idea like that, but I like it. My first computer was 386 with Windows 95. I think it's old. I prefer Star Wars of the Matrix. I never have the patience for watching Star Trek. Sorry, I think people like that. My biggest challenge is teaching. But okay. My biggest is challenging my nephew to swim. Sometimes it's like, sometimes not like, but this is my challenge in that moment. So, I am Brazilian. I live in Portugal 7 years. And this is my first time here in Stockholm. It's the beautiful city. And English is not my first language, and I try to communicate with you. About the project, exactly. This project started in C# because the team know about C# very well, and the polling is a library the company use. The polling try making the Elixir to do, but not have a lot successful that. And what we use it is actually C# the first moment, because the team know and because we have money for that. We have money because you need for service in Azure, in Azure, and the company have a lot infrastructure about in C# in Windows, Microsoft, sorry. And that is exactly the project that make it. It's so simple. And look at that. Oracle is more responsible for the project. For example, except for creating and generating the Excel, except the email, and the process a lot in Oracle, and several is in Windows, in C#. And use Windows Forms for, and use for the client is more customers that. It's a desktop, okay? This is a project in C#. So, the business needs more for that in C# and this technology. But in one moment, the company is so increasing, and then capacity for in C# is not working very well, is low, and we have big challenge for that. And the need you need for innovation for this technology. And C# and Poly, we have a lot of limitation that. In this case, you look at you need for working concurrency, and you don't have that in C# at that moment. And the performance is so slowing. Okay, I so bad way in C#, and not working for the team and well. And then the need for improve it, for innovation, and at the moment you look at for Elixir. Why I migrated for Elixir? Because C# worked, and projects in C# worked, but not improved very well what exactly you need for the team. And look at for an Elixir, the currency, for example, we have any process isolated for that, and exactly you need this project. And the system, the scalability, and Elixir is so worked very well that I look at that because I don't have time. I'll talk that. And you need for fail, for example, the bugs or anything else. Elixir exactly working for that for us. This is so important. Use it this in the project. Strategy about that. The team not know about Elixir. And or me, I note that. And this is so complicated for the team. What exactly I convinced my team change C# for Elixir. At that moment, I have a lot of patience for that. I show for my team and Elixir is option opportunity for change because we don't have a lot of money, and starting the project I have a lot of money, but the budget is not enough at the moment. And Elixir resolved that because in the same server you can use the Elixir. You don't have expend my money. Before Elixir, I say that not project is so slow, not working very well. The client and the user sometimes not happy for that. And when change for Elixir, we have a nice performance in the application. Because the process we isolated, and we have more efficiency, and the manager for the process, and the more parated the process and use the system. In that, it will reduce the moment is slowing for limitation for the users and sometimes. Okay, database, in this case, you change. You use Oracle and you change for Postgre. And as your responsive for time is better. And the impact of that is for Flutter is so nice because the team and the business look at for is the performance, is the change exactly what do you need. You prepare for the architecture in the server, and the project have more ability and confidence in this impact. Sorry, I forgot. Will not change exactly the servers, and you have and they use the Elixir. You use the same server, is the same architecture, and the front end you don't change nothing. You don't use the application is the back end, and you use Elixir. It is scalability. You improve it a lot, not project. So in this case, when you use Elixir, your communication for the server, because your communication is better because you don't use more Oracle. You use now is Postgre. This database is better for the communication and between database, and back end and front end. And exactly this moment, the team not working Elixir yet. Okay, this is a challenge and one show for the team the scalability, but the team not accept very well change for Elixir yet. And I show again exactly Elixir to do, or not exactly Elixir, but Elixir to do, and the team accept but not accept well. In this case, us is an engineer, and sometimes business command for us what exactly I need to meet or to do. And I say that we engineer, you need to make it for the business sometimes what exactly we need to resolve the problem, not the business resolve the problem for us. And when they change for Elixir, Elixir resolved that for us. So, okay. Why don't work? RSA and the last scalability for the project is important because we have a lot people use the application on the time in real time, and the Elixir have resolved that, and you not need a lot of money for that. When do you change for Elixir, for example? We have before Elixir, you will have 100 users to connect in the application. You change for Elixir, this is a 1,000 user connection the application in the same time. It is for us is so important because you don't expend more money and your budget is the same. And the business like it that because not expend more money in this project. Increase in resilience. This is important because Poly try and make it that, but not working very well. And Elixir is this philosophy. The Elixir is about that. When the file and resolve the problem, and this for us is so important. Resilience in design, Elixir is supported in the running. What I mean that you know about that because I think these people here know a lot about Elixir and the Lang, but my challenge is convincing people is another technology change for Elixir. And I proved that the designer for Elixir resolved exactly the problem. Sometimes is not so easy. RSA, in another slide, the process for the project help us because isolated the process. And this isolated in process, you can resolve another issues in the project. Oh, sorry. This is benefits in the project is exactly because in Poly, for example, you use that for resilience because you try catch in the code, but don't resolve the problem. This is happened. When do you change for Elixir? Elixir resolved exactly that. And then you can use more time in the Elixir. And the service and the continue, but in polling, this is not happening. We have the pattern use or break, secret break or timeout. This is an put in the code in the C# in timeout. Don't resolve it in your problem because sometimes crash the application and to not resolve it exactly you need. And you change for Elixir, for example, this is problem resolved, and you not more problems and they crash the project. When then you don't crash the application, the client and the user is so happy because you can use the application and don't have problem that. Okay. What I say in the last slide, Elixir help us exactly is resilience. And this resilience is fundamental for transform the system. And the component is a file in the file in the oh, forgot the word. I'm sorry. The file and the files and the controller, and resolved the problem. And also I have more, or I say that. It's important for the project not to fail and the crash and the face the client. And clicking recuperate or resolve that in so fast and component. We don't have that in Poly, in C#, and Elixir we have that and resolve that so fast. A migration challenge, first of all, is the business logical. Understand exactly is on the technology for the not technology is the first in consideration in the big problem in the team. The team not know about Elixir and the syntax the Elixir so in the first moment is complicated for the people not see. So sorry. And the first, you applicated the test. This test you help us understand exactly what to do. And use it for that, for delivering pipeline. And the options is Elixir and the log using and involvement and you use it. Culturally, challenge is complicated because the team, I say, don't know about Elixir, and it's complicated input that for the team because the team not accept this in the first moment, and you have a lot of patience about that, and all the time I teach my team exactly Elixir to do and show this different and then compare exactly one technology do and another technology not do very well. Opportunity and the benefits. Must project have more quality and more responsibility exactly. The architecture and the money, always say in the first moment the project not have money for that, for change for another technology or invest more money in server in Azure, for example. And if you change for Elixir, this is helpful for us. Have more scalability and the server. You don't expend more money or budget. And the team, they finish that, understand exactly is need for change for Elixir, what is important for the team that. Innovation for development. The team, this moment, I have opportunity for programming in function, in program code, and resolving the problems in the different way. And I think this is very important. Engineer culture, this is opportunity for the team look at another technology again, because the team all know C#, all nodes, anything else, and now you understand exactly, you look at for, you prepare for a creativity for Elixir. So this is a little about the architecture you make in use it in Elixir. Use endpoints and use Elixir. You use for process Oban, and database is Postgre, and for not front end you use the Windows C# is Windows Forms, because the client use that, and the migration not impacting for the client, only for the service. What exactly I learned about that? In my case, I prove for my team, you don't see only for own technology, you will need for only own opportunity, but for the team learn about another technology, and the team learn to, this is a challenge for migration, another technology, and for me case, for example, stay here and share for us the big challenge in my life. Big conclusion that I love it. C# is C#, but Elixir is so better in any case, in any situation. First situation is you can, for example, use Elixir and resolve the problem, and this stay a long time in the market, but people don't use well, or don't use in your company because, or don't understand the syntax, or because you don't study that in university. And in my opinion, is a big opportunity for look at for Elixir all the time. So thanks. Sorry for my English. I'm a little nervous, but I try better in next.
Thank you very much, Samanta. Thank you very much. Do we have any questions? Jarne?
Thank you for an interesting experience. I wonder, in your team, did you get some people who said that, oh, this is hopeless, and then you have some people who get, oh, this is great fun, and become great enthusiasts?
Yeah, for the team is complicated because all the people left in the university don't have opportunity for learn about Elixir or programming function. And all the time I stay seated together and my colleague or my friends, and I program it together, and I show exactly the Elixir to do, and is compare, is also, okay, this is C#, but Elixir is so easy to do too. For example, in C#, you make it, for example, for each, you put maybe 10 lines, it depends. And Elixir, you resolve that to one. And I show that for my team all the time. And the patience, this is a habit.
More questions? If not, we can thank Samanta again.
Oh, thank you.